All right, do you have a Samsung phone and you're trying to change the notification sound that plays when a SubAlert notification comes through? Then this video is for you. Okay, so unfortunately, unlike all other Android phones, Samsung by default hides the ability to customize the notification sound per app. I guess because they think it's too complicated to do for the average user or something like that. So first of all, we're going to turn that ability back on. So come over here to your settings. Scroll down until you get to notifications. Then click on Advanced Settings. Then this is the option we want. Manage notification categories for each app. Go ahead and turn that on. Then come back to SubAlert. Go to your main menu and then Settings. And then click Notification Settings. This is a nice shortcut we have to take you to your phone's notification settings for this app. Okay, make sure that it's turned on. Make sure sound is turned on. Set these as according to your preferences. And then come down over here to notification categories. You wouldn't be able to see this before. We just turn on the ability to see this. Then this is the new jobs notifications. Make sure they're turned on, obviously. Then click it. Then go down here to sound. Right now it's by default displaying the app provided sound, the one that we bundled with SubAlert, but we're going to allow you to change that. Click on this. Make sure your sound volume is turned on, first of all. And then from this menu, you can now choose whichever sound you'd like to hear the next time a SubAlert notification comes through.